Hello guys, it's me, Nikki.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, no, I am not doing this again. Woo! I am not NikkieTutorials. I am NikkieTutorials. Eat it up, bitch.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell for new videos.
Hello guys, and welcome to the original Hugh. I am Hugh, otherwise known as Matthew, and thank you for joining. Finally got that down. Couldn't get the high pitch before, but now I'm just all woman. Yes, today, I'm going to be following NikkieTutorials during one of her videos where she is talking about what she did not talk about with her palette. And in the process, I will be following her makeup routine. However, in the spirit of NikkieTutorials, I will only be doing half my face. The power of makeup, aka the power of just being damn lazy. Try me, Nikkie. Also, I do not have her palette. I am a student, I am broke, I am living in London, I have no money. Therefore, I will be using the only palettes I have, which are not by her nemesis at all.
That's never gonna happen. The 3 rewards for
I'm
the
not
early buyers.
interested.
And I
Just
wanted
do a makeup
to share a couple for today.
Today.
All right, so for today, what I always do when I'm reviewing a product, and I'm not also doing 2 different eyes.
I do one eye.
All right, so I already primed because not to prime is a what?
A crime.
A crime, thank you. What are we in the mood for today? The first color I'm gonna go in with is Amsterdam.
So I'm gonna go in with Blue Monday. Questions?
The outer corner of my eye. This is what I'm going to place them on the eye and get
I feel like
that
hers is more
magic
pigment.
going. And I'm also going to take that color and very softly start dragging it out. I want a nice full
Drag. I don't know anything about drag.
companion.
Which color
to
did she pick?
Amsterdam.
So she said plot twist. It's like a light blue. Just say light blue.
Portion like on the front of my brow, sort of like this
How do they
portion
do
right
it?
here.
Wait,
I'm
hers
gonna
is
pop a little
hang
bit
on.
of
Oh no, like how does she
blend
do
and
that?
snap. And
the
speaking
thing is,
of
I'm actually
creating
trying.
this palette,
Fuck's sake,
oh
Nikkie.
yes, I love this. It's kind of reminding me of
She's going ahead.
the
She's going
promotion
ahead.
image
Cavity.
for this campaign. Now I'm gonna dip into a bit of zomer, which is Dutch for summer.
Fuck. Okay, hang on. Zor, why not just peach?
Here, next to blend and snap, blending into pretty much.
Is that what we call blended? Dark side. Trademark!
Touching this, swatching this, best applied with fingers.
She now wants me to put my fingers in my eye. Yeah, it's a pandemic. Let me put my fingers in my eye.
A little
Just say
bit,
shiny
and
pink
just
or silver. Can you see it?
I'm just gonna dip this on to kind of stamp it upwards as well. Oh my god, this color! Not on the inner corner, honey. This orange on the inner corner is such a vibe. Such a vibe. I love it.
Orange? What? Jeffree Star doesn't have an orange. And now back to business. The new Jeffree Star summer collection coming out at the end of the month. Featuring shades Tangerine Trump, Kim Jong-un, All Lives Matter, and oh no you Corona don't. Yeah, until Jeffree releases his new summer collection with Tangerine Trump, I'm just gonna have to go in with a red. Sorry, Nikkie.
Oh. It's giving me all the makeup loving vibes. Okay, I'm gonna pop a lash on and I'm right back.
And I'm not gonna pop a lash on because I don't have any. Pause. Okay, I'm just gonna have to freestyle. This is not how it's supposed to be. Yeah. That kind of looks like it, right? I'm back. She is done with the first eye. I'm only doing half my face, so I'm gonna do the dramatic reveal in a minute after I finish. Oh my god, guys. I am so nervous for this reveal. No, actually, hang on. I felt guilty showing the name of Jeffree Star's makeup for a NikkieTutorial video. Genuinely cannot afford her palette right now. Okay, the reveal. Ta-da! What do we think, guys? This is just like a light look. And that is it for my palette, guys. Pollinate me. No, we said we were not doing this again. No.